This is the Real-Time Designer catalog. It's a CSS-driven page that is generated from the products that you have set up in your Real-Time Designer. Anytime you add a product, it automatically appears on this system. It's a direct link, no worries of keeping this page maintained. Once you create a CSS or a style that you're happy with, it should function fine from then out with no maintenance, which is the great beauty of this thing. To give you an idea here, it's side menu. This one doesn't have any headers in it, but you can put any header you'd like up here. Does have a footer. The page that drives this is an iframe, which has its own header, so this page has no header of its own. And it's just a drill down effect. We can drill down, come through here, the different banners that we have available in the system. Let's go for this retractable banner. And let's design it now. And you can see this familiar screen. This is the Real-Time Designer. Loads up with this particular product that the user selected, ready to be designed. There is no need to copy links or do any special HTML programming or navigation. They navigate through the Real-Time Designer catalog and get directly into the product in the Real-Time Designer. Now, if you prefer not to use the catalog, that's perfectly acceptable, but you will need to maintain links and ensure that any data that you have on your own website coincides with what you have in your Real-Time Designer. There won't be a one-to-one link there as there is with the catalog. Now I'll pause this for a second. I'll switch over to a screen that has the back end, show you a little bit of how this works. Okay, here we are back at the screen with the Real-Time Designer catalog. We've got the menu. In this case, it's on the left sidebar. We've got a listing of product categories, which you drill down through the products and select the size, and then eventually to the Real-Time Designer. This special window right here is any kind of HTML that you want to put in there for special promotions. This one has 3 separate links. Let's go into the admin panel and show you a little bit about how all this stuff is put together. Okay, under the System Options, Configure RTD Catalog, we come up with a screen that has 6 options. This right here, Open Page Code, this is the URL, the HTML of the text that, or the file that generates those links. This could be monthly specials, anything that you prefer to put in there. You can leave it blank and that whole area completely disappear. And you simply tell it how big that frame will be. That's run as an iframe within the Real-Time Designer. From that, then we can go back and let's show you the menu links that go down the left side of the page. And that is back here on the catalog. These are the menu links on the left side of the page. In the Real-Time Designer administration panel, we've got a menu link builder. You simply type in what you want, what line of text you want here, and tell it what the link is. Now down at the bottom of this screen are the links to all your different categories. So you can just grab one of those links here, you grab it, it becomes your into your clipboard, and you come up here and you can paste it in there. So you could type whatever text you want here. It does have a parent-child structure, so that, for instance, here we have a tab called Navigation, and under that we've got 4 or 5 links. And the navigation is a header, so we don't put any link in there, but in the individual items of that menu, we paste a link in there and hit Save. Then that automatically appears on that menu from there on. Let's go back and take a look at it. Okay, again, here's the navigation header and the 4 links there that make up that. So that's the menu builder, and let's go over here to the style setup. Generally, this is only visited when you're going to do a major revision on your site. This is the CSS that controls the entire look of that page. So that could be You can get in there. We recommend using a tool like Firebug to get in and tweak the individual values there. But everything that creates the look and feel of that page is contained right here in this CSS text. You can take this out, put it into Word or Notepad to edit it, and then paste it back in. Several other features in here we'll get into in great detail, but just the basics of it. The Real-Time Designer Catalog is a tool that we've developed to automatically categorize and display your products. If you don't have a website that already has all that navigation built into it, you can simply just say design your product here, click them, bring the customers onto the Real-Time Designer catalog site. They navigate through your products in your catalog and eventually end up in the designer and into the cart to process their order. Quick overview of the Real-Time Designer catalog. Take a look at the other videos. Get up to speed on the Real-Time Designer. We're sure you'll choose it to be a big part of your business, your online e-commerce environment. Thanks for watching.